Hey guys, so I kind of forgot to vlog all day yesterday, so today's Monday, the day you're seeing this, and the day I'm recording this. And so I figured I'd just let you guys know that I forgot to vlog, so sorry. So enjoy some clips from the last couple weeks, some random clips, and hopefully in the next couple days I'll get better at this, because I always forget to vlog, or at least vlog enough to make a whole video. So hopefully pretty soon I'll have enough footage from the day before to post that day, or however, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but most people know how vlogging works, so okay, I love you guys, bye! So I'm sitting in the car waiting for my dad, and I've been waiting here for like 20 minutes now, and he said he was just gonna run and check something, and then we're gonna go to Target, and now I'm getting really antsy because I want to go to Target. There's nothing good on the radio. Everything's either on commercial break or it's like a song I don't like. And some of the songs on the radio now, I feel like I should be offended because it's like the person is just yelling rude things at me, and I don't like it very much. So, I don't know. People need to start being nicer in their music because I don't like being yelled at when I'm listening to a song. Okay, waiting here for like 20 minutes. Where is my dad? Wood. Aw, you stopped doing it once I turned my camera on. It looked cool. It looked like an explosion of wood. Pieces keep almost hitting me though.
What's that?
Pieces keep almost hitting me though. It's weird.
There we go.
There's a fuzzy little caterpillar right here. So bright. It's smoking.
I know.
Looks cool.
It's smoke ring.
It smells like fireworks.
Gunpowder.
Yeah, it smells good.
It does that. Love the smell.
Mm-hmm.
Dead center. Oh, come on. I didn't even reload.
Oh. Well, that was anticlimactic.
That is.
I can feel that.
Could you?
Yeah, like through my chest.
Go take a look at that.
So I'm nervous.
You're good, honey. Don't worry. Good job. Look at that. Perfect.
My hand slipped off. My hands are sweating because I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. Just concentrate. Good job.
How many more are there?
Probably about 12.
12 more?
Do you want me to take over?
Yeah. Whoops. I shot the tree instead of the target. That kind of like obliterated this spot right here. See it? Oops. Sweet baby Jesus.
Done.
It's so much bigger. It's so frightening.
Just a little bit. That's a 44 Magnum.
Yeah. Just a bit.
Yeah. Well, you didn't want to fire that, huh?
No, I'm good. I'd rather shoot the 22. I want to play with that now.
Yep.
Not the 44, not the... What is the other one?
A 40.
A 40. It's a little bit smaller than the other one. Still scares me a little. Just a little.